Hello all traders, today is Tuesday 21st of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour micro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close and past the previous day high on all E-minis during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down and found a support and bounced back. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price come back and retest these level of support, we take long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what we have done. And on Apex Trader funding accounts, when the price tested this level of support around 10.15 here and bounced back, this wave of uptrend was taken on Nasdaq and S&P 500 with setup C and T repeatedly, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. So I'm going to show you the performance on one of the accounts here. So you can see also on personal accounts, I took one long position with micro contracts before pre-market on personal futures accounts. So if we look at the stats of these results, we see that it's positive with profit factor of 82, which is coming from 87% win rate, all from the long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio of 5.87. The largest winning trade was 310 and the largest losing trade was $12. So that was the summary of the sum of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. So if we look at the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, we had about 11 trades today, and we took long positions on Nasdaq and S&P 500, and this shows the result, and we had no losing trades today. So our total profit reached $41 with profit factor of 28, and this shows the equity curve that grew from yesterday about $5, which is equivalent to $300 on the 300K futures prop firm account. This shows the equity curve of each symbol that we traded: S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq CFDs. So from the 42 trades taken so far, we had 39 winners, which gave us the win rate of 92.86%. This shows that equity curve is growing consistently with the drawdown, which is less than 0.2%. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account and also a small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.